Naturopathy is a system of man building in harmony with constructive principles of nature on physical, mental, and social planes of being. Naturopathy or nature cure is a method of treating the illness by using hydrotherapy, mud therapy, massage therapy, diet and nutrition, acupuncture, yoga and meditation techniques, and through Shatkarma processes. Nature cure believes in five great elements like air, water, ether, fire, and earth. When there is a balance of these five stages, five elements, this will be a state of health. And when there will be imbalance in these elements, it leads to the illness. In naturopathy, we have seen the good management of non-communicable diseases like diabetes, hypertension, migraine, cervical back pain, and metabolic syndromes, insomnia. There are very good results by changing the lifestyle habits like improving the good quality of sleep, the right proportion of food and nutrition, and good exercise regimes and balance of Panch Tattvas leads to the health and reverses the lifestyle disorders. In naturopathy, we believe in morbid matter theory. The root cause of all diseases is the accumulation of foreign matter or the morbid matter. When the respiratory system or skin or your urinary system or bowel system is not expelling the toxins out of your body, it gets reabsorbed by the blood and increases the acidic level of the blood, which give rise to the cause of different diseases. When we rectify this basic pH of blood level through detoxification methods like colon cleansing, bowel cleaning, through enema or Shatkarmas, through Prakshalan method, and giving massages, mud packs, hydrotherapy, steam bath, pranayam techniques and meditation techniques. Thus, it helps to rejuvenate the whole body. Body has its own recuperative healing power, but when we give the chance and listens to the acute signs and symptoms of the illness, when there is a mild headache or fever, we suppress the disease symptoms through taking some medicines, or we interrupt the natural process when body is trying to expel it out. Thus, it leads to the chronic ailments. We need to listen to the sounds of our body to heal it on its own, and we have to give the rest to the digestive system when we come to the acute illness. It takes time, but it heals on its own. Through diet and food we give in the medicine form, there are different kinds of diets like raw diet, mono diet, eliminative diet, constructive diet, healing diet, juice diet, and fasting is also one of the very important therapy we use in naturopathy. Naturopathy is practiced since ages from the long time, and Mahatma Gandhi ji has given more emphasis on naturopathy. Naturopathy has many advantages. It is cost effective, no side effects, and it gives reverse of the lifestyle disorders. So once the chance is given to the body, it heals on its own, and we can reverse the physiological changes and manage the non-communicable diseases. Healing crisis is very important in naturopathy. Healing crisis means body is trying to expel the toxins in form of fever, headache, diarrhea. So we need not suppress these things, just wait and give rest to your body, it will expel the things. In starting, when we take the naturopathy treatment, it starts the healing process with the same symptoms of disease, but it will persist just for 3 days or 4 days, and the body starts rejuvenating. So in adopt naturopathy for good, happy, healthy lifestyle, adopt naturopathy for good, happy and healthy lifestyle, and for your body-mind coordination, adopt yoga and naturopathy, and you can reverse your lifestyle disorders and give a chance to your body to rejuvenate on its own through naturopathy. I congratulate on this special day, 18th November, which is celebrated as International Naturopathy Day. Being a naturopathy physician, it's a proud day for me and for my fellow beings who are practicing yoga and naturopathy as a career or as a lifestyle followers who have learned and reversed their lifestyle disorders through naturopathy and yoga. So adopt naturopathy and be healthy and happy, stay fit physically and mentally. Just visit nearby your naturopathy physician, or you can consult online to be healthy and to reverse your lifestyle disorders like diabetes, hypertension, insomnia, back pain or metabolic syndrome. Thank you.